Our goal as part of the scientific committee is to plan the scientific conference. So to come up with all the speakers, to organize all of the abstracts and figure out which ones go into oral abstracts and which ones have posters. The first is to come up with all the speakers. We have a great committee that all meet together and come up with a list of plenaries, a list of speakers. And then later on, we have a call for abstracts, and we review those abstracts and basically decide which ones should get oral presentations and which ones should have posters. Some of the recent accomplishments we've been proud of are, first, we have a workshop in the mornings. It was spearheaded by Betsy Seng, but it's put on by a lot of people, where we have training sessions essentially for either new kind of early stage people or middle career faculty, and talking about grants or how to do research or kind of a lot of different things there. We've been very proud of that. The other is we just had a very successful meeting. Every year we put together a meeting. We had a very good one last year in Minneapolis. We were very happy. We learned a few things that we're hoping it would take to improve next year's. We hope that this scientific conference will generate a lot of interest in headache research, both within the society, within researchers to find new ideas, and also outside of the society to find out what the most interesting research is, what are the new fields and the new areas to expand into, and really just get headache medicine, headache research on the map. Ways that people can get involved in the meeting: first is you have a great research area, please submit an abstract. The abstracts will open in February, and you can be part of the meeting itself. Another is that we have people that will serve as either buddies for new people at the meeting, or they will do some peer review and kind of help out looking at some of the presentations to make sure that everything is kind of up to snuff as far as the CME and the education part of things go. So there's multiple ways to get involved in the committee. This committee itself has been very important to me, just because you get to create a research conference. You get to choose who the speakers are that you would like to hear from, the people that you find most interesting. And as part of this, it's just been fantastic to be able to create something like that. And then just for my personal growth, it's been nice to hear about all this research that's going on from the other committee members and then from the people themselves at the meeting. So I've been grateful that I've been part of this committee.